Hello YouTube, Logan here. I did a horrible job with this intro, so this is voiceover Logan here. Basically what we're doing today is we are making a sunken boat, my sunken boat, look a lot better and run a lot better. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Alrighty guys, the best I could come up with, here's some WD-40. I'm just gonna spray on there real quick and give it a couple shots and see if it'll break free. Hopefully it will. I know. Pro toolkit. Nope. Okie dokie. 3 out of 4 are stuck. Not a good start. Guys, it worked. Got this one free. It would appear my Allen wrench is stuck inside of this little grub screw here. Alrighty, I've been sanding, and as you can see, major difference. Motor on the left is one I've obviously done. Looks great now. I'm going to do the other one, and then I'm going to clear coat them. I might leave the heat sinks off, but, you know, I'm not that far ahead yet. Alrighty guys, I got my little jig set up here. Looks pretty good, if I'm being honest. Scrap metal with a piece of all thread on there. Motor is hung up. I'm just gonna hope that the clear coat won't damage the internals. I know it's pretty professional. But yeah, she's ready for paint. This is what it's gonna look like before, and then once I get it in back here after I clear coat it, I'll show you what it looks like after, but for right now, I think it looks pretty good. Just ready to rock and roll. Alrighty guys, I got my motor here clear coated. I think it looks pretty good. I feel like it pulled out the colors a little bit more. You can kind of see it better on the back. It just looks more like, almost like a higher quality of metal, really. Almost looks like titanium. But I'm going to get this guy clear coated after I degrease it with brake clean, and I'll see you guys with 2 awesome looking motors. I went ahead and polished this here. I think it looks good, other than those little scratch marks you can see. That's because I stuck it in the drill and put some polishing compound. However, I think it looks way better than that. Like, way better. There's actually a much bigger difference in person than on camera. I'm trying to get it. There we go. That's a lot better. That looks a lot more like stainless steel than aluminum now. Alrighty, guys. Now I need to get these seals out. Back here. Might be a bit of a pain. Considering I have to slip it over the new ones here. Oh, okay, that actually won't be that bad. Let's see, pull off these two right here. Hopefully they aren't rusted solid. If they are rusted solid, we're gonna have a big issue. They are not rusted solid. Well, at least one of them isn't. Oh, thank the Lord. Now I can pull out these seals here, which are totally destroyed. They are done. Usually I save old parts. These ones, straight in the trash. Nice. Oh, there's these little turds. Now, it pains me to do this because of how old it is, but I need the parts. That's why I bought them. It's time to get some new seals on the boat. Hopefully it shouldn't leak. As you guys can see, my ESC is not working currently. So first thing I'm going to do is sand down the battery connector here with some 220 and just see if that helps. It's in the on position, so I think this ESC just might be cooked. I'm not sure though, because all the wires and stuff are probably going to be bad on the inside. Let's listen here, folks. No sound. Oh, that's because it wasn't plugged in. Duh. There. Oh. Hear that? Nice. Alrighty, guys, I put a new connector on the end of the receiver line here from the ESC. And this, and watch this. Or rather, you can listen to it. Oh yeah, receiver still works. It just looks gross and disgusting. I'm not sure if I can fix that. If I can't, I'll leave it alone, because it works fine, obviously. Guess I should probably just chuck the servo in here for now. I did rebuild it. And by rebuild it, I mean look at it and call it good enough. Alrighty guys, here's the finished product. Motors are looking beautiful. Wiring is all nicely wrapped up. I didn't replace any of the wiring. I probably should have, but I'm not. And then receiver, I probably should have cleaned that, but I didn't. Receiver, receiver. Servo, I probably should have cleaned the servo, but I did not. It works. It works. I don't need to clean it if it works. So thank you guys so much for watching. I would have loved to film a running segment of the video to show the boat actually working. It does work. It just, the issue is there's no water around here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to see the video where this sank, it'll be in the outro.